Yes, it's she. Look, it's opening. Who are these two pretty girls? Say good morning. Hi, Faith. Good morning. And I'm having one more other pretty joining. They can't see you. Go for your step. You're stepping on my shoes.
Faith.
Hey, we're all matching today. Say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Had said that.
That's what you were gonna say. Good morning, Sarah.
No, I was about to say that question and you need to answer what.
Yeah, but you need to say good morning first.
Good morning, Faith. Oh, one. Good morning. Did you recognize something on Mama, Sarah, and me? I'm going to talk. It gives you 5 seconds. Okay. On me, Sarah, and Mama.
And Papa.
And Papa.
You didn't realize, Papa?
No. And Papa, we all dress and put on clothes in blue. Blue.
It all knocked off Tyler because Tyler first got dressed. Wait, Sarah, wait. And then I said, alright, let me put Sarah in blue. And I said, okay, let me put myself in blue. And then Dave jumped in.
Blue.
Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. We're heading out for a family adventure today, as always. Did you ask?
Can I have some, please?
Sure. Don't make a mess on your clothes. Take your time. Don't drink much because you know you're going to vomit in the car. We're heading out for a family adventure. You guys don't know where we're going until we get there because we won't tell you.
I wanted to
tell them? No. We won't tell them until we get there. So you guys have to come along with us to see where we're going to end up today. It's going to be a good day. Yes. Say, excuse me, Mama.
Excuse me, Mama.
What is it, Sarah? What you want to say?
I can hold the heart.
Yes, there is a heart on Mama. Anyway, you guys, we are heading out right now. We are all packed. There will be a picnic spot there, so hopefully we'll get to have lunch on the grounds. And I just made smoothie for, jeez, I almost messed up my clothes. I just made smoothie for my breakfast. I'm gonna have it in the car. Yeah, so we're just doing some final things before we head out. So have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog, which I know you guys will. I'm excited for the kids. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys on the road. That's where we are today. Yes. We're at the zoo. Guys, we're at the zoo today.
I think I paid €7 or something.
Wow. Adults €17, kids €12.
On a 2 adultes, un enfant de 6 ans et un enfant de 2 ans.
Il y a de nourriture pour animaux.
We are doing the.
Okay, merci.
We're doing the
Merci
tickets.
aussi.
That's cool that you don't have to get out.
Yeah, I already had the tickets.
So I didn't realize that they were selling food for the animals at the entrance. So I turned back to where we had give the ticket to see if I buy for the kids. Merci. Merci, au revoir. I thought the camera was on when I was ordering, but it wasn't on. She were telling me that it's in the gift shop too, so I wouldn't have to come back to the gate. So I got a big bag. I didn't want to get two. I get one big one so the kids will have fun feeding the animals. I know they might be a bit scared. I didn't want them to waste it. So yay. They look pregnant.
Elephant.
No, that's not elephant at all. That's cow. Look at the duck, Sarah. Yeah, honey, take her out of the sun, put her under the tree if you're stopping. We missed something. Okay, go up. Tyler, you're not a good instructor, you know, because you're passing the animals. Parrot, hello. Hello. Polly. Look, Sarah. What's that? Duck. What sound does the duck make? Quack, quack. Turn up in a boat. We have on sunscreen today. Tell me when we can feed them. This one you definitely can't feed him. You see how much he is? It look like ostrich, but I don't think it is. Oh, look at that big one. Look at the big one, honey. It look like ostrich, Sarah, but it's not. Look how long the legs are. Flamingo is pink, Sarah. Flamingo is pink or orange. Which color is flamingo? There's a tiger in here, but he's sitting down. Look, Sarah, Sarah, look, he's getting up, look. It's gone. You see it, Sarah? Yes. Wow. Yeah.
Here is the 14, here is the 15.
Okay, come on.
Here is the 15.
Wow, Sarah, look. How's she calling it ostrich? Maybe it's one type of, I don't know. You see elephant? Sarah! Stand beside Tai Tai. Tai Tai, look at Mama. Cheese! Good job! He looks so old though. Look at its stomach. Why? It's okay. Mama hold. Tai, Mama hold you. Be brave. Mama hold you. Tai, you're just gonna feel this.
I want to do how I want.
Okay, throw it. Come, Sarah. More. You want more food? Put it in your hand. Hold it. Come. Woo. Sarah, you let it go. Hold your hand. Hold your hand. Open your hand. Open hand. Sarah, open hand. Open. Open your hand. Open your hand like this.
I need some.
But don't put your... Honey, just be careful, okay?
Chez nous. Ils sont en montagne et dès qu'ils nous sentent, ils sont loin, loin, loin et tu n'arrives jamais à les approcher. Quand tu les approches, c'est qu'ils sont très, très malades.
Look at all the cacadillos.
Wow.
Wait, over there.
Yes. Hello, Zeb Zeb.
Hello, zebra. Hello, zebra. Hello, zebra.
You see the zebra, Tai? Wow, Tyler, you're in a very good shot of the zebra. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Good. Her neck is so long she can't. She have to turn around to pick it up. Babe, giving them food.
Get some more?
What's the neck? Throw it up.
And trying to put them where they can take it.
I didn't want to go touch his hand. That's okay. Come on, let's go. Sarah, let's go. Let's find the next animal. Go.
On va voir le cup de lait.
If you want them to come.
You have to throw the food. up. This one with, wait, Sarah, wait. Hey, don't do that and wait.
I do.
Yes, but you have to wait. No. We have to throw it.
No.
Throw it. Here. Do some more, slowly. She wants to feed all of the animals. She getting mad because she can't feed all of them out of her hand.
Papa, par contre, ça c'est faire du Père David.
Don't run, walk.
Ça c'est faire du Père David.
Okay. Look how it's shaking.
The sooner no more.
They come in, Ty. They come in for food. Throw some in there, Ty.
Wow.
Just throw some in there. Oh, you give the nice one?
Yes. Ça c'est sa récompense.
Look at them. Look at them.
Oh, c'est la bagaille.
Throw it in there. Throw it, Sarah. Throw it. Good job. Throw it. I have to go where there is none. They're looking at the lions, but they're sleeping.
No.
Let sleeping lions lie. Don't wake them.
Est-ce que c'est ça qu'on a vu?
We paused from the zoo. We're eating lunch. You guys hungry? You can't talk. You hungry?
Me too, I'm
His mouth
freezing.
is full. They're freezing. They're burnt freeze from the slushy. Say hello. Everybody's having slushy and brain freeze. So why you drink so? Why you both drink so much?
The mouse was for
The angle that you guys can see them properly from that end. But yeah, having lunch. Salad, sandwich, slushy. That's the menu for today. Sarah, open your hand. Open. Sarah, open your hand.
Voilà, Loulou.
Comme ça.
Oh, comme ça la main, ici. Regardez. Ah, salut. Oh, regarde, elle a carrément passé la tête. Regarde, donne-moi la main avec toi. Viens tous les deux.
Attends.
Regarde, tu vois? Vas-y.
The entire crew came.
Vas-y. Vas-y, arrête. Voilà. Ouais, bravo. Vas-y, donne-les,
Open
chérie.
your hand, Sarah. Go like this.
Tyler, quand tu fais ça à la moitié, ils viennent par terre.
C'est des moutons. Vas-y, Loulou. Allez, Loulou.
Attends.
Bravo, avance. Avance, avance. Ah non.
Sarah,
Mets ta main comme ça.
Sarah,
Voilà. Et tu poses dessus.
Open your
Voilà.
hand.
Ouvre ta main. Voilà.
Voilà, comme ça.
Allez, Sarah, toi. Regarde, Loulou, à vous apprendre. Regarde. Ouais, Loulou, elle est trop forte.
Open.
Allez, vas-y, Aaron, apprends-lui à Sarah.
No, you're not opening your hand properly.
Regarde.
Guys, see her
Aaron.
there. Put it in mama's hand.
Allez.
What is greedy? You're greedy. Move. Shoot. You eat too much.
Look at Sarah, look at Kev.
Touch him, Sarah. Touch him.
C'est le petit Tyler.
Vas-y.
Wow.
Vas-y.
It's the little baby Ty. Let Papa help you.
Regarde ça.
Come.
Don't
come.
throw it.
Don't throw it. He's a little baby. Try just one time. It's the last time. Mama. Oh,
Ouais, Loulou.
yes. Just one time. It's the last. I'm gonna give you the baby food. Okay? It's fine.
Flat.
Just look at the baby.
Look.
We're giving this one, okay? We're gonna give this one. Look. It's okay. It's okay.
Prends le sachet, Loulou. Ça, tu fais pas.
You see? You feel his tongue? Voila. Sarah loves this pony, I guess, because it's our size. So she loves the pony. Ty! Look at Tyler. Tyler loves seeing the pony. Oh my gosh! I didn't see that the baby was so... No, I saw the baby was there, but I only see half of her. I didn't see her full body.
Look at it's sheep.
Yes, it's sheep.
You catch that?
Sarah, who is that? Sheep.
The sheep is so heavy.
I need to cut the hair. Sarah, don't touch. No.
The other one, Sarah.
She said, come, ça. Mais. C'est comme ça, mon petit. Back up, Sarah. No. Fini. Boy, you come ça, mon petit. She said, come ça, mon petit. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Sarah, look up. Ah. Whoa. Peacock.
Mama,
Yes.
it looks like a ball. It looks like the animal that is at
It is.
Mama.
Yes. Go to Papa. Wow. You see the peacock, Sarah? Look, it's opening. Oh my God.
When it gets mad, it's open.
I don't want to go close. We have been back from the zoo. The day was tiring, draining, but it was a good day. And look at you. Can you tell what time it is? What time it is?
Dinner time.
Dinner time.
Headache time.
Came home. You guys know how it is when I go on the road. So this is dinner for today. Porky and fries.